In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt email messages in Outlook. Protecting your email communications is incredibly important, and encryption can add an essential layer of security. So make sure you follow along closely as we go through this process. Before we start, you need to ensure that you're already logged into the older version of Outlook, since the encryption feature is specific to this version. Let's dive right in. First, you want to begin by composing a new email. It's a straightforward step. Open your Outlook, navigate to the Home tab, and click on New Email. Once the new email window is open, you're ready to move on to the encryption process. This part is key to ensuring the confidentiality of your message. Now let's move on to encrypting your message. Look towards the top of your email window and you should see a menu bar. Click on the Options tab. This will open a range of tools and settings for your email. Among these options, you'll notice a button labeled Encrypt. Clicking on this will apply encryption to your email. The simple step secures your email content, ensuring only the intended recipient with the necessary decryption key can read it. This feature is part of Microsoft's licensed capabilities. However, it's important to note that this feature is only available for fully licensed versions of Microsoft. This means that not everyone will have access to this functionality. If your version of Outlook doesn't give you the encryption option, it might be related to your license type. For those using the new version of Outlook, it's worth mentioning that the encryption feature may not be available. So keep that in mind as you decide whether to stick with the older version or upgrade to the newer one. This consideration can be crucial depending on your security needs and how you manage your email communications. That's it. You've now learned how to encrypt emails in the older version of Outlook. Remember, encryption is a powerful tool in safeguarding your sensitive communications from prying eyes. It ensures that your emails are read only by the people who are supposed to read them. Stay cautious and make sure to check your Outlook version and licensing requirements to access the encryption feature. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. By taking these steps, you are making a conscious effort to protect your information and maintain privacy in your digital communications. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your email security. Have a great day.